Hello OREF team. This is an overview of how this new Toolkit tool works and how to add content to the page. You guys are pretty much pros at doing this, so I won't belabor things too much. Let me know if something is unclear and we can go over it in a meeting, or I can make a new video. This is what the page looks like when you are logged in. If you try to go to the page when you are logged out, this is what you will get, is this message here. So here is the back end of the page. You can see that there is a row for each one of these items. You give it a title here, and that represents this. You give it a description here, and that represents this. And then over here you have button 1, button 2, button 3, and you insert a label for each one, and then here is where you insert the link for each one. The page has a category filter on it. As you can see, these are all sample posts right now, except for this first one. And it'll filter out the items that don't belong to that category. Category is chosen right here. I think we should probably just set these all up in advance for you guys to choose from. But if you really want to edit these, you can find it here under Advanced Custom Fields. That's what this ACF stands for. So, you can go here and you would scroll down to the MPB Toolkit lessons and you would edit that. And then here under, let's see, Lesson 1, we'd come down here to category and you would edit that, and then you can add or delete them right here in this list. You would just add more to the list, and then when you're done you would click Save Changes, and then more options would be available here in this list. The only other things to know here are one here is where the text goes for that intro text on the page right up here. That is this that just says WP Bakery Page Builder. This assets grid, that is what creates this list of assets as you add them. When you need to add another document, another listing here, you say add row, and that will add you a set of blank fields to work with on the page. The only other thing is, if you scroll all the way down here, this is the text that you enter for what shows up on the page when the person is not logged in. So this content is available exclusively to, I've added just a little bit of HTML here for styling because it doesn't give you the usual Visual Composer elements for that. So yeah, I think that is pretty much oh no, sorry. Now in order to create these links, this is similar to what you guys have done before, but it is a similar but different tool. So you would come, there are now 2 items called downloads. This is the one that you've been using. There's a different icon for this new one, so you would come down here to this downloads item, and then you would say add new. Let's see, buyer representation script, we'll say. There are a lot of settings on here for different types of controls and everything, but I think we've got it all set up so it's just all default. Things that you will need to do is to scroll down here and say select file. Just like with the other one, you don't want to add these to the media library. You just want to come here and say select file. Don't add it here. You'll come to upload files. And I think we said this was the script, so we will upload that. Insert. And then down here is where it will give you a direct download URL. And that's what you will want to copy and add into here. Let's just go ahead and, oh, this needs to be removed. I can't have an empty row. And so now if we come back to this page and refresh it, and we click this, so that didn't work because I didn't publish it yet. Hopefully this will work now. Let's try again here. Go back, refresh the page. Instructor script, fingers crossed. Yes, biorepresentation script. There it is, and it offers to download it for me. I believe that is everything that you guys need. Again, let me know if something is unclear, or we need extra features or to talk anything through. Thanks so much.